Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th. Exercise 3.4 question number first part third. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number first. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and by substitution method. Part third. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. It is given equation. You solve given equation by substitution methods. Firstly, I want to solve it by substitution methods. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the given equation. Equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. It is first equation. And here 9x and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Equation second. Or here 2y and here 7. You can write it on left side of equal. It left side of equal. It left side of equal. It becomes 9x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Equation second. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. By the help of equation second, by the help of equation second. Here equation second, by the help of equation second. Equation second is 9x equal to 2y plus 7 or 9x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Clear? 9x equal to 2y plus 7. It is equation second. Hence x equal to 2y plus 7 by 9. You find x equal to 2y plus 7 by 9 by the help of equation second. Clear? Now you substitute x equal to 2y plus 7 by 9 in equation first. Substituting x equal to 2y plus 7 by 9 in equation first. Equation first. Clear? Equation first is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. Here 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation first. 3 multiply 2y plus 7 by 9 minus 5y by 1 minus 4 by 1 equal to 0. Clear? Here you can cut it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. It become 2y plus 7 by 3 minus 5y by 1 minus 4 by 1 equal to 0. Clear? Here you can take LCM on all 3. LCM of 3, 1 and 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 you find 1. 1 multiply by 2y plus 7. It become 2y plus 7. 3 divided by 1 you find 3. 3 multiply by minus 5y. It become minus 5 3 ja 15y minus. You divide 3 by 1 find 3. 3 multiply by minus 4. It become minus 4 3 ja 12 equal to 0. You can write it 2y plus 7 minus 15y minus 12 equal to 0. It is clear? Here you can write minus 12 on right side of equal and plus 7 on right side of equal, and you can subtract 2y and minus 15y. It becomes 2y minus 15y equal to 12 minus 7. Here minus 12 when you write on right side of equal, then it becomes plus 12. Here plus 7 when you write on right side of equal, then it becomes minus 7. Now you subtract it and subtract it. Clear? It becomes minus 13y equal to, you subtract it, you find 5. Y equal to minus 5 by 13. You find y equal to minus 5 by 13. Clear? Now you put y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation second. Clear? Now put y equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation second. In equation second. Clear? Here 9x equal to 2y plus 7. It is equation second. Put y equal to minus 5 by 30. Clear? Here 9x equal to 2 multiply minus 5 by 13 plus 7. Clear? It become 9x equal to, you multiply 5 and minus 5 and 2, it become minus 10 by 13 plus 7 by 1. You can take LCM 13. 13 divided by 13 find 1, 1 multiply by minus 10, you find minus 10 plus 13 divided by 1, you find 13, 13 multiply 7, you find 91. Clear? 9x equal to, now you subtract 9x equal to 81 by 30, x equal to 81 by 13 multiply 9. You can cut it. 9 1 ja, 9 9 ja, equal to 9 by 13. You find x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to here minus 5 by 13. Hence we find x equal to 9 by 13 and y equal to minus 5 by 13. Answer. You solve your question by substitution method and you find x equal to 9 by 13, y equal to minus 5 by 13. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.